list. And in that email, what I did is I sent out an invite to be included in my profitable digital product intensive, I'll call it, which will be like 3 weeks with me. We'll sit down, create a digital product around your expertise, but there were a couple of stipulations. First of all, you have to have at least 3,000 to 5,000 followers and at least 200 people on the email list. I made the email list very small. So I had a conversation with someone who was interested, but they didn't quite qualify for the eligibility requirements. So during that conversation, they said, hey, I would love to work with you. And I said, well, let's work on getting your numbers up. Since you have the numbers on social, go ahead and make sure you're putting in a CTA whenever you do a video. And she was like, what is a CTA? And I've been in this game for so long that sometimes I forget that people may not know these digital marketing terms. So what I did is I said I will create this video. I always like to teach you guys in examples. So I'm going to use the example of Kevin Hart promoting Chris Rock's special on Netflix.
Some love out to my brother Chris Rock. Is going down tonight taping his special. Actually, I don't even say taping, it's live streaming. Live streaming his special, man, on Netflix. It will be in over 190 countries. Live. It's going down at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Chris, you have constantly set the bar on 10 p.m. Eastern time. 10 p.m. Eastern time. Live stream. An event that is an event.
So as you can see, he starts off with just a bit of an introduction, right? Saying congratulations. And then he moves into a bit of promo. And then he moves into positioning, right? Saying that it's going to be showing in over blah, blah, blah amount of countries. Is a bit of positioning of the content. Like everybody's going to be watching it. You should be there. And then he ends with the CTA. The CTA is really what seals the deal. It's happening at this time, at this place. Go watch it now. You can do this in the middle or at the end. As you heard in that conversation, he actually did it a little bit in the middle and then he did it again at the end. Hope this was helpful.